Look, I know that being stuck in the yo-yo dieting cycle can leave you feeling helpless and out of control, but it doesn't have to. In this video, I'll share with you 3 easy steps that you can take today to stop yo-yo dieting and keep the weight off for good. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll talk to you about how you can get your hands on my 12-week post-diet blueprint that details how to break free from the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. And by the way, it's the same blueprint I've used to help thousands of men and women collectively lose tens of thousands of pounds and keep it off. To get even more permanent weight maintenance tips and strategies, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you're notified when I release a brand new video every single Tuesday. Dieting is characterized by intentionally eating fewer calories than you need. Stop it. Seriously, stop dieting, like right now. Always dieting is the reason that you are stuck in the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle and cannot keep the weight off. But if you want to keep the weight off after losing it, you need to stop dieting. What do I mean? To stop dieting, you need to begin gradually increasing the number of calories you eat per day. Yes, I know, that sounds scary, but fortunately, I've included a list of free resources in the section below this video that detail the how, why, and when to begin increasing calories to help you keep the weight off for good. And I also recognize that you're probably terrified of the fluctuations that seem inevitable to experience on the scale. Well, fortunately, if you check out the resources I provided for you below this video and you continue to watch this video, well, not only are you going to maintain your weight loss, but you're going to experience a huge increase in energy, an increase in well-being, and a big reduction in hunger and fatigue. I define a non-scale victory as a positive or win that occurs during the day that doesn't involve the scale. A couple examples include hitting a new PR in the gym, logging another day of 110% nutritional compliance, or making it a priority to meal prep food in bulk ahead of time for the next few days. Or it can be something completely unrelated to the fitness industry, to your nutrition, or your exercise. The point is to log something positive that took place during your day. And by doing this consistently, you begin to train your brain to actively look for the many positives that take place each and every day that are not associated with the scale. Since you're no longer dieting, you should not be consistently looking to the scale to determine whether or not you're making progress. This means that you need to look elsewhere. And fortunately, by implementing an easy daily to-do like logging a single non-scale victory, you'll be exposed to the numerous positives that take place as you consistently eat on plan and complete your weekly workouts. And here is your challenge. For the next 7 days, before you go to bed each night, log 1 non-scale victory. Then, after you complete 7 days, send me your 7 non-scale victories via email to paul@thepaulsalter.com, and I'll follow up with you with an added bonus and surprise for a job well done. What is 1 non-scale victory that you could already log for today? Let me know by dropping it in the comments section below this video. Constantly trying to lose weight and maintain it is mentally, emotionally, and psychologically draining to say the least. And oftentimes, your intense focus on meal prepping to the precise calorie and eating at exactly the same specific times every single day is a major source of psychological burnout. And this, too, is probably also fueling your yo-yo dieting, which is why I recommend that you take some of that time, focus, and effort and divert it to doing something that you enjoy instead. Maybe that new hobby is gardening, playing a recreational sport, learning a new language, or making more time to sew. Regardless of what it is, choose something that's going to make you smile and not feel anxious around the clock. Heck, take my long-time one-on-one client Jennifer, for instance, who's completed 2 dieting phases and is down more than 40 pounds. But even better, she's kept that weight off for 2 years and counting. And one of her passions was blogging, and she recently took up blogging to write about her passion of traveling the world. Turns out that her blog and her followers and readers have grown exponentially the past 18 months, and she's even managed to make a little bit of a side income by doing something that she enjoys. And this is just one example of what is possible when you take away some of the time, energy, and resources that were overly devoted to dieting, and instead devote them to something that makes you happy. There you have it. 3 simple action steps that you can literally implement today to help you keep the weight off. Number 1, stop dieting. Like, seriously, right now, stop. Number 2, start tracking a daily non-scale victory. And number 3, spend more time on another hobby, something that makes you smile. And I know you're feeling excited and ready to begin implementing these changes today, but I also know that this feeling will not last unless you have continued guidance, accountability, and support to seek further information. That's why I put together the Permanent Weight Maintenance Blueprint, which is your complete guide and list of action steps to take the first 12 weeks after finishing a diet to finally achieve permanent weight loss. And in the 12-week post-diet weight maintenance blueprint, I will not only teach you how, why, and when to make calorie increases along the way, but I'll show you exactly how to do each and every calorie increase and how to overcome the myriad of challenges you are bound to face. And you can get your hands on this 12-week blueprint by clicking the link in the top corner of your screen or directly below this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it with a friend, and give it a big thumbs up so I know to continue producing more videos just like this. Which of the 3 strategies that I shared with you in this video are you going to implement first? Let me know by dropping it in the comments section below this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate it, and I recommend that next you watch my recent video that defines metabolic damage and discusses what you can do to begin healing your broken metabolism. Happy watching!